How to delete a Snapchat account. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to delete a Snapchat account. The first step is to open or launch the Snapchat application on your device, just like you can see here. Once you open the app, tap on your profile or Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. You will now land on your profile page, where you can see all details about your account. On this page, tap on the settings icon represented by a gear icon in the top right corner. This will take you to the settings page, where you can manage various features of your Snapchat account. Scroll down until you reach the section that has the option named Delete Account and tap on it. You will now be taken to the Delete Account page. On this page, Snapchat will ask you to enter your username and password to confirm that you want to delete the account. Go ahead and type them in carefully. Once you are sure you want to proceed, tap on Continue. At this stage, your account will first be deactivated. This means that your friends will no longer be able to contact you on Snapchat, and you will also lose access to any chats you have saved. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. If, during the 30-day period, you change your mind and want to reactivate your account, you can simply log back into Snapchat with your username and password, and your account will be restored. However, if you do not log in within that time frame, your account will be deleted permanently, and you will not be able to recover it. This step is final, so be very sure before proceeding. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to delete a Snapchat account.